Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. So right here I'm just showing you my part. This is my first part. It's pretty straight. I was pretty impressed. So right here I'm just combing out my hair and putting on my heat protectant. All the links to the products I use will be down below in the description box. So I just make sure I get my ends really good, and then I will split my hair into sections and just start using my heating comb. I'll also have a link to this. It is magnificent. I love this tool. My ends are very you know how natural ends are. Frizzy, hard, they're curly, and this just straightens everything out, okay? So I make sure to get my roots, and I make sure to definitely get my ends so that my ends will be tucked away in the braids. This definitely is a game changer when doing like feed-in cornrows or like any protective style, but you don't want to use your heating tool for every protective style. The only con to this tool is that it smokes up the whole entire room. Like, you can't breathe, you're choking. So after every braid, I just go ahead and, after I use it, I turn it off because it's just too smoky. Next, I'm just going to be putting my shining gem all along my part and brushing that in. Okay, so now I'm going to start braiding my own hair. This is just for like the natural look. I don't like bulky, like it starts off bulky in the front. Like, no, I like it flat, and I like it to just be my hair that I'm braiding. I braid until I get to like the thicker part of my hair, probably like midway, and then that's when I start adding braiding hair. I laid out 6 pieces of hair, but when I get towards the end, I add a 7th piece. So you need 7 pieces laid out in front of you. My pieces were pretty much, the first piece right here is kind of smaller than all the other ones, but all the other pieces were pretty much the same size, like a medium size. And you would just see me braiding regularly. But I will grab the hair with my pointer finger right there, grabbing that hair and just braiding down normally. I braid down about 2 to 3 times, and then I add another piece. I forgot to mention that I use the Spectra Braid pre-stretched hair. This is the color T1B/900. It is antibacterial and anti-itch hot water set. 3 bundles came in 1 pack, and I only used 1 pack of hair. When you get down to your ends, you want to use your shining gem to just blend your hair, your natural hair, and the braiding hair together on all 3 pieces, so your hair won't be sticking out when you get to the bottom of where your hair stops. So as I'm coming to the end of my braid, I will make a loop, pull the hair through, and just knot it, just for extra protection, even though I'm going to put my hair in boiling hot water later on. So I just did those 4 on camera for you guys. I'm going to go off camera and do the middle 2 that I have left. And she is done. Yes, I did 3 and 3. Hello, how are you? Who is she? She is me. But no, you guys, this is after I dip the hair in hot water. You definitely don't want to skip that step. Your hair will be stiff and no movement, so you want to dip it in hot water. I thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace.